chosen prey, they've developed some epic hunting techniques. Off the coast of South America, killer whales will beach themselves, riding in on waves just long enough to catch prey. They'll also create waves that knock animals like penguins or seals from ice floes. Most importantly, they cooperate, communicate, and coordinate as a team. Here's footage of killer whales corralling a school of herring. A whale dips in and feeds, while the other whales keep the fish together with swipes of their tail flukes.
So killer whales make powerful waves when they hunt, and they use their tail flukes to stun prey. You're about to see a demonstration of that. For our whales, it's a high-energy exercise session. But for all of you, it means it's time to get wet.